Alright, try to get this thing jacked up and see what happens. Put a jack stand under it. And we're just going to go right up in the middle and pretend as if we're using a jack-all. Stick the jack-all in the middle, jack the Jeep up, and see how far up we can go. We'll see how far up we can go. The jack might not go high enough right now. Also want to see if we get a bunch of bend or not. Normally you wouldn't jack a unibody up in the middle of the sill. Something's making noise up front. I don't know what that was. Okay, so looks like it's staying pretty straight from what I can see. Not getting much for flex there. That looks pretty good. Right on. So far so good. Let's keep going. Wow, that's looking pretty good. That is not flexing at all. Looks nice. Not sure what you see from this end, but it doesn't look like it's flexing from this end either. So it didn't bend the sill. So if it can withstand being jacked up, it can withstand landing on a rock. It's probably high enough to be able to get underneath. Put this board under here and put a jack stand under the unibody where we've reinforced it with an edge. And let it back down. And do the other side. I'm going to jack this side up and get it up on the jack stand and see what happens. This time we'll try and watch it a little better as it goes up. We'll see if it bends at all. And up we go. Pretty sturdy so far, and if it can lift it there, which is just about in the middle of the rock slider, it is not bending. Nice. There we go. That's up there. It's good. So this side's tipping over a bit. Get the jacks in. Put the jack stand under. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's as high as I have it on that side. But this is a little lower over here, so one more notch. See how well it sits there. Let it back down. There we go. Nice. And everything is still attached. Good.